Namaskara, Bengaluru. It would be a crime for me as a journalist to be reporting from here in the beautiful city of Bengaluru and not acknowledge the big political rumblings. We've been hearing about it for so long. We don't know if it's really happening. Obviously, you already know what I'm talking about. It's the Game of Thrones. Political rumor mills have been abuzz with indications from the real world that there could be a shift in power, there could be a change in chief minister come winter this year. Is that really going to happen? We don't know just yet because there is no categorical confirmation, but everyone seems to be talking about it and everyone seems to have an opinion. So thanks all of you for being with me. Dr. Ajay Singh, MLA of the Congress Party, Dr. Ashwath Narayan, MLA from the BJP and former Deputy Chief Minister, Lavanya Balal Jain of the Congress Party, Surabhi Hodigere of the BJP, Deepak Bopana and Veera Raghav, our NDTV's crack team here in Bengaluru. Thanks all of you for being with me. Dr. Ashwath Narayan, former Deputy Chief Minister. It seems like the BJP is fishing in troubled waters. The BJP always says, look at both of them, always fighting, constantly running to Delhi to look for the High Command's audience, get their darshan. What is your view? Is there going to be a new Chief Minister by the end of this year?
See, in the 23 general election, a good mandate has been given to Congress Party.
Yeah.
We are not trying to fish anything here.
Trouble is already there.
Their numbers are good. And it is left to the Congress Party who should be the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Minister. It is their lookout. Once been given an opportunity, probably after 35 years, what Lavanya? After 35 years, such a kind of majority is being given to a particular party, now that is the Congress Party. After getting such a good majority, there is no governance, there is no development. Always there has been a fight for power. There has been fight for position. I don't know what's happening. There's complete instability. Many claimants, many of them keep selling, even I want to become a chief minister. Probably Ajay keeps seeing, even Parmeshwar wants to become, Priyank Kharge wants to become, Shiv Kumar wants to become, Satish Jarakibole wants to become.
Ajay himself maybe wants
Yeah, Ajay also.
Future
Why
chief
not
minister.
Ajay? Definitely he should. He has not said it.
No, let's get his view on that. Is
And
there
the best part, the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, keeps telling all the time, I am the Chief Minister for the
I will
entire
finish
term.
5 years.
I'll complete 5 years. I'll be there for the entire... Every now and then, you have to repeatedly say, that means there's a problem. And he fully knows very well that he's not going to continue. So that kind of challenges have been coming up to send a right message to the bureaucrats or to the people, all the important stakeholders. It has been so difficult for Mr. Siddaramaiah to make it very clear that he is going to stay for the entire 5 years or to run a government.
Okay.
Probably to run a government with full powers and to be an effective government.
okay.
If there is no stability,
So
if
the
there is no
BJP
continuity,
says
nobody
they are
listen
not
to
fishing
him.
in troubled waters. There is trouble in the Congress. There are two camps. There is definitely a race for the Chief Minister's chair, and that the Congress can say all is well, all it likes, all is not well.
See, if you look at the history of the last 25 years, in Karnataka, Congress has always had a single chief minister. From 1999 till 2004, it was only Mr. S.M. Krishna. Subsequently, Mr. N. Dharam Singh was there during the coalition period. My father. Then, subsequently, from 2013 to 2018, it was only Siddaramaiah. And now, from 20th May 2023 until today, 10th August, we are in 2025, we have only one chief minister. And whatever in Congress, it's always the High Command which decides. And our Honorable Chief Minister has said,
No, but is there a decision to be taken? That's a question.
Nothing
High Command will decide means is there a decision to be taken?
nothing, there is no decision to be taken. It's only the opposition which is talking like this. Who doesn't want to become Chief Minister? That is secondary. But right now, we are all together. Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister has told very clearly that we are together, we are one. The opposition is creating all of this because they don't have anything else to say about the government. They're not able to accept the fact that we have won close to 140 seats and we have delivered the guarantees. We have a chief minister who is very popular amongst the masses across all the parties in Karnataka. So they are trying to fish and see in case if there is some sort of issue or no.
All of you know each other in the assembly also. What are you picking up from there? Because they say that this is a BJP created issue. You guys have goaded the media into creating an issue, an aura of rumblings within the Congress government in Karnataka.
See, Rajana, Mr. Rajana, the Minister for Cooperation, he has made a very clear statement. You should see the September Revolution. September Revolution is going to happen. The fight is going to come
Oh,
out.
it's become September now, is it?
Yeah, the
Okay.
coming month.
Okay.
Not is just a
Earlier
month.
it was November.
Not even 15 days.
Okay.
So it's going to start from September itself. You know, you have seen their own cabinet colleague, Mr. Rajanna, on the floor of the house. He made a statement about the honey trap. The minister himself has made a statement on the floor of the house. He's been honey trapped. Many of their own cabinet colleagues have been honey trapped. They were pointing finger to their own colleagues. It is not something outside. And many more. Even Satish Jarkiwali openly has been making statement. Mr. Parmeshwar is making open statement that he wants to become CM. And Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the AICC president himself,
You
he has
say
been
Satish
making...
Jarkiwali, Ramesh Jarkiwali is making statements against BJP president. Satish Jarkiwali is making statements against B.Y. Vijayendra.
No, what is that? Ramesh
Jarkiwali has been making. Sorry.
But that
No,
is
so my
one
question to you is
isolated.
simple. My
But
question to you is
overall, see, if you look in democracy, you can expect some kind of challenges. But here, when a chief minister is in a command, his own cabinet colleagues, imagine
What
the
about the
cabinet
BJP?
colleagues.
What about the BJP? You have your own fair share of problems.
BJP
Your MLAs
You tell me
are
one
also standing up
incident-
against your party
one
president.
incident
Why is that happening?
except-
Some of them are predicting that you could also
But
get
Deepak,
into the help
let's
of affairs.
finish with the
No,
Congress first, then we'll
you
come
are
to the
talking
BJP.
about
Part
only
2 is going to be on the
prediction and
BJP.
astrology. I'm not talking about the astrology.
Sorry, my question to both of you is very simple, to all four of you. Is this the nature of Karnataka's quote-unquote adjustment politics, that no party, if it's going to have power, the High Command will not have control, there will be people who will make comments, and is it time that the Congress reconciles with the fact that irrespective of what Siddaramaiah says, there will always be a power play, and this is not about BJP fishing in troubled waters. I can tell you as a journalist categorically that there are enough Congress leaders who come and say, yes, there will be a change.
So many leaders have come forward.
First of all, I want to refresh my friend Mr. Ashwath Narayan's memory. In the previous government, they used to talk every day, every hour when Mr. Yediyurappa is going to resign. It will be happening in the next 2 hours. So listen, so power tussle is not there only in our state, not only in our government, correct? It is there every time. Even the previous governments, previous states, every time there's been a power tussle, whenever there is a chief minister, there's always issues that someone else also would want to become, and there's nothing wrong that someone else wants to become. But right now, we are going hale and healthy and very, very strong. And whatever decision will be taken by the High Command in Congress Party is supreme. And whatever they decide, our Honorable Chief Minister, he'll abide by it. So there is no talk. absolutely right
At
now.
a time when the rumor mills are abuzz, something will be read into everything. When DK Shivakumar and Mr. Siddaramaiah go to Delhi 4 or 5 times within a span of a month and a half, that is my question. That is my question.
When they've gone there, they were all pre-decided meetings, right? With the Law Commission, when he had meetings with the President. No, see, when you're a Chief Minister of a state, you will be traveling to Delhi to get funds. Sure. And if any injustice is happening to the state, you will go more often than required. So he's gone there, requested the President of a country, he's met the Finance Minister.
Let me ask you categorically, Dr. Singh, is there no change coming this year? Whether September, he says September, somebody saying October, somebody saying before Diwali.
Not me, Vishu.
Somebody saying
It is
before
their
Diwali,
own-
somebody
their
saying
own
after
Congress
BR
minister,
elections.
Mr. Rajanna, it is not my statement. I am not making any statement.
No, this is true.
I'm just
Many
repeating
Congress
the
leaders are saying
statement.
this, sir. Congress MLAs are saying come November there is going to be a change.
What happened?
Come September.
Come September, come October, come November, come December, come 26, come 27. That's going to happen all the time. When you are in public life and politics, we need to see all of this.
Okay.
I don't see that any discrepancy amongst ourselves. We are a united front, and we are going to work for the people of Karnataka.
But you are saying High Command will decide.
Shiv,
But that will be decided by the High Command.
just to add to that, now he says there are rumblings every time. They're now saying that we'll listen to the High Command. Why did this happen between 2013 and 18? Why is it happening now? The Siddaramaiah of then to now, is there a difference?
That's a very sharp question. Why don't you take that now?
If you're asking, weren't there CM aspirants between 2013 to
It
18?
didn't come out in the open like this.
No, I'm sure it came out and people have forgotten about it. Congress party has very senior leaders and there are a lot of leaders who are capable of becoming CMs. So everybody has an aspiration to be a CM and there's nothing wrong with it. But I would like to remind the whole world, there has been not a single political decision where the CM and the deputy CM have disagreed. They have agreed upon all the
Functional
political...
agreement.
Yes, they have.
Okay.
And I totally understand the former deputy CM is with us. He says, they should be a united house. I think he talks from his own pain when they were in government and it was a broken house and they have seen how much the development in Karnataka was impacted because it was not a united, house within the BJP.
The state has given you an overwhelming mandate, so going back to the past every single time is not an acceptable excuse. Absolutely not. It is Congress versus Congress in Karnataka, and the people who are suffering, people are the ones who are suffering. There has been no functional dysfunction happening. What happened in the Chinnaswamy Stampede issue? The CM wanted to do something in Vidhan Sauda. The DCM ended up in Chinnaswamy Stadium. 11 lives were lost in that entire incident because the two of them wanted credit for RCB winning. This is what's happening in Karnataka. Hang on. There was supposed to be a meeting for the backward classes. What happened to that meeting? There was somebody from Delhi saying, no, don't do that meeting. Your policies are being run in accordance to what you want. Who wants to take the credit or not?
Will you back a caste census? Will you allow the
We
report to be
have-
coming out? No, hang on.
Yes.
No,
My answer is yes.
No,
We are in fact doing the actual caste census that's mandated by the Census
only
Act.
when we said
There
we are
is-
doing it.
That is
Only the
wrong.
Prime Minister of
You
the
know what?
country.
I will, as a BJP person, I will say this. We are an agile party. We take good ideas from everywhere. But we implement it with 100%. We are doing a caste census.
You're conceding that the caste census idea was from the Congress?
No way. No way.
Absolutely
Congress
not.
party, when they were in power, they have not done nothing.
Yeah, they've been in
They have not
power
done
for 6
nothing.
years.
See, you don't see. No.
The ideas are.
That is not
What is
what
your
I said.
idea? What
That
is
is
your
not-
Our leader's idea.
You
Mr.
first
Rahul Gandhi.
implemented
don't have
corrected.
We have told you get
No, one second.
Plagiarism is Congress has got the plagiarism. Plagiarism
Rahul
Congress.
Gandhi.
It's all with Congress.
Oh, yeah, he's
Rahul
told in
Gandhi
elections
has
also.
been going-
He is told. Rahul
Has
Gandhi is the
a
one
89
who is
election
told.
loss.
He is
Rahul
told.
Gandhi
Rahul
has an
Gandhi. We have
89 election
199.
loss.
He would
Why
have
don't
been
you
the-
win an
Congress
election
would have
that
been
you
the Prime
can be
Minister.
proud of?
See, sir.
And then you tell us
Shoo.
how to
If you
run.
hadn't
Just-
done the
just-
vote
just I
story,
like
he
to-
would have been the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
We have
Sure.
Congress is the Prime Minister of the
Just
Congress.
see the governance. I'll tell you
There was no vote story.
the difference every morning. One Mr. Raju Kage will make a statement. I had to hang myself in Vidhan Sauda. How things are working out in the Congress government. He has made an open statement repeatedly. And with regard to B.R.
Ishwarappa.
B.R. Patil has said
Ishwarappa.
very clearly, Zamir, and against Zamir, he has made a very clear statement. Will you get houses?
That's what he said.
Only by
when
paying
BJP
money.
government
And that
was
is
in
how
power,
the Congress government has been
Ishwarappa
functioning.
wrote to the governor
Even they are
that
talking
there
about
is-
the
he has
backward
no
classes.
access, that there is no
they
functioning
had
in the
no
government.
right to do census. They had no right to do census. They had no right to do census. Even then they did it. And finally they had to make a statement, it is invalid. Because it's already 10 years old.
No. So
That
we
is
have
the kind of,
It is my job as the
stand has been changing
You are wasting
and
money.
completely.
You are
This
wasting
Congress
money.
government.
We are doing it the right way.
Okay.
You have wasted. If you waste
No,
it,
one
you
second,
have
one second.
money.
Okay,
No, that is public funded
What does
money.
Rahul
What
Gandhi
happened to the
understand?
caste survey? You
He doesn't
shelved the
understand
caste
anything.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
think BJP has got any
You
right to
shelved the
speak
caste
about
survey.
the
You
public
shelved
money.
the caste survey. You did not
They
do it
are
properly the
known
first time.
across the
Where is the
country as a
90-day
40%
deadline?
government
Where
and
is
have
the
lost
90-day
the
deadline?
mandate of the
The
people.
same
Not done
same
it.
They've lost the
contractors
confidence of the
have-
people.
Let me.
Now we are at the-
I have to.
we are doing it.
I'll put my foot down now because I'm going to use my anchor's privilege to drag this back down to the question on the table. Now we've gone to caste census, we've gone to 40% Sarkara, all those things. Please allow me, Lavanya. I know you're going to jump down my throat. I will give you time. Promise. We are talking about whether November is coming, September is coming, October is coming. We have limited time. I promise you, if all of you stay back, we'll do a caste census debate also. But we're talking about the two, number one and number two in the state of Karnataka.
Yes.
Veera, give me a sober, no smoke without a fire. There are camps. There are leaks going from each side to journalists to say what is happening.
Shiv.
You've got Mr. Siddaramaiah periodically say, I will complete my term 5 years. What is going? What is the reality?
Well, I'll tell you, DK Shivakumar still hopes that one day Siddaramaiah will give way and that he will become.
This year or anytime?
That nobody knows. Nobody knows. Only his astrologer knows. All right. So he genuinely hopes that one day Siddaramaiah will give way. There is a sense, several people tend to indicate that there was some kind of an agreement between the two of them. Siddaramaiah doesn't seem to be in a position to be giving out. He seems to have the absolute support of both the High Command and the MLAs. They are very stable. But the one thing that's very clear is that when a transition happens, the hope for the High Command is that it will be a smooth transition when it happens.
I just quickly would love to know if the former Deputy Chief Minister would like to respond to the controversy that was brewing in BJP yesterday, that R. Ashok was not part of the protocols and Mr. Prahalad Joshi.
I was with Mr. R. Ashok today.
Mr. Prahalad Joshi
Receiving
had
the
to
Prime Minister.
intervene.
What is the-
Mr. Prahalad Joshi had to intervene to make sure that Mr. R. Ashok is part of the protocols. Would you care to comment?
So, okay, direct question to you, sir, is saying that are there some enmities within the BJP regarding the
Literally-
leader of
Basically,
Mr.
see,
Ashok?
let me make it very
Or
clear.
was it an error?
Who is the organizer of this function? Ajay? Who is the organizer?
No, the letter.
No, let him make it. Who is the organizer? To the point.
No, I'll tell you one thing very clearly.
No.
When
He is
the
asking
Prime
straight
Minister,
answer. No.
when
Who
the-
is the organizer?
See, you are the one who's taking the credit.
No.
You are the
See,
one who's telling
the
Yellow Line is
DMR
done by us.
No.
You are telling Metro is our
Let me
money.
telling.
You are telling your MP tells. He
There's no
sends
letter.
tweets.
See, basically,
It is
the
not.
function is been organized by whom? Who invited?
How are the other people involved? Impossible.
We were invited.
There
It is
are
the responsibility of the
no way.
Congress government.
We would be
It is
more
the
than happy
responsibility.
to have the LOP
Who is
there.
managing the
But
BMRCL?
now it's a BJP in Karnataka presently. It's a divided house. Not one, two, three. They have 4 doors. There are 4 people operating from all the sides. That we need to understand.
Complete responsibility is with the.
This is how you evaded responsibility with RCB also.
But Shiv, while they're at it,
The real question.
136 seats. It was a historic win for the Congress. Why do the people of the state have to deal with your government like you're running a coalition? That's the question. No,
What does that mean?
because time and again these sort of issues keep coming up. Your own ministers, I'm not just talking about
See,
legislators
okay,
or leaders,
okay.
your ministers keep raising questions that there's
We
going to
have-
be a change.
we
You
have-
see,
we
you
have-
know,
which group?
a
We have
coalition
a-
partner,
Deepak.
he's going to pull,
Deepak.
Which group are you in?
Deepak, we have a chief minister, we have a deputy chief minister. In the previous government, you had three deputy chief ministers. I think Mr. Ashwath Narayan also was one. Then the government was there. Then again the chief minister changed. See, we are here for the development. We all are one. We all, including our chief minister, is for Congress party. Our deputy chief minister is for Congress party. I am also for the Congress party. So we all are for Congress party, and Congress is going to do good to the people of Karnataka, and that's what we are going to do.
Safe answer. That's a safe answer. You're saying that everyone is together, but this, see, the thing, I'll tell you, see, all of you are here in Bengaluru. I am sitting far away in Delhi, Noida. The perspective from there, what we get from our reporters, what we get from the ground is that there are differences. And it goes beyond, Lavanya, I disagree with you. It goes beyond everyone having an aspiration. Of course, everyone has an aspiration, but there appears to be, daggers drawn. Daggers drawn is the way I can describe it. That one is trying to outdo the other. There are these small indications that keep coming out. I appreciate that the Congress needs to try and quell the idea that there is disunity within the party. But it is clearly more than just aspirations here. Lavanya?
I disagree with that.
Okay.
It is just media hype and the BJP's propaganda that Congress is in trouble, and that's our statement.
How many times
No,
you keep saying
you've
BJP,
seen
BJP when your own
how
MLAs and ministers are coming
Parmeshwar
out?
will have his own community meeting. Mallikarjun Kharge ji will have
hang
community
on.
meeting. The group,
your own
they,
ministers
they've
are
been
coming
fighting
out.
openly, betting for each other. For example, Shivkumar group, their own group will have a meeting, openly making statement. There is a Changiri MLA making statement. There is a Magdi MLA making a statement. There are many more people batting for Deputy CM. There are some people batting for openly
We are
for
in a
Parmeshwar.
democratic
There are
process.
some people openly batting. Even ACC president, he himself is a victim. He mentioned that I became a victim. Even I was, denied an opportunity. Probably he could also become a possible candidate. If you see the fight between the chief minister and deputy chief minister, he can be the third party who will come down.
Now today,
It's a
Congress
reality
is a
I'm talking about.
democratic.
He's the son of a former chief minister.
And his father tried very hard to save his government with that Kumaraswamy
Yeah,
coalition.
we did in the commission. So he was a chief
he
minister,
managed a coalition.
and he was there. In politics, my father used to always say, politics is a waiting game. You have to just wait and bide your time. You have to be with the party. My father also joined the party in 1969, and in 2004 became the chief minister of the state. And Congress, we all, as of now, we are one. All
As of now.
we are no, because that's what you're asking me. You are asking me because you're asking. We all are now. We all are now. No September. I'm saying you are asking about that. We all are one. There is no question. There is no question. We are. There is only whatever the party says. Our honorable chief minister has said.
No,
And
Honorable
Deputy
Chief
CM has said
Minister
we are
is
one.
threatening
He
their
said
own
that we
high
are
command.
one.
If you don't continue me, I am
Whatever
going to
we
bring
all
down
with the Congress
government.
party,
That
as
is a
loyal
open threat of
Congress
the
party
present
man,
Chief Minister,
we will
who has
be
been
there.
telling openly, if you don't continue me,
Last word, Shiv. I think this is reflection of the nature of adjustment politics in Karnataka. There are different camps in every party. There are always going to be power lobbies.
I like clarity. Okay, I want to know whether it's not going to happen or whether it's going to be
But
September.
Shiv, Mr. Singh made a very interesting point. He said during his father's time, it was said that you should play the waiting game.
Yeah.
So who's going to play the waiting game here?
See, there is no harm in people having aspirations to become chief minister. Like you said, there are many people as of now wanted to become. There's no harm. There's nothing wrong with that. But they have to wait for the time. And the high command, the Congress, in Congress party, high command is supreme. We all abide. We all abide. We all abide by the high command. Whatever the high command says, we abide by that and we follow that. And that's what our leaders, our chief minister and deputy chief minister have told time and again, that we will abide by the high command's decision whenever. If at all they make.
It is the MLAs who should be deciding who becomes the chief minister. It is not the high command. Is this
Sure, that's why
Karnataka
Mr. JP Nadda is still there.
You being the BJP should never talk about the MLAs. We are seeing first timers becoming chief minister in Delhi, in Rajasthan, in Madhya Pradesh.
Anything
And
wrong?
So and
No, anything wrong?
Who is deciding that?
do you find anything,
Who is deciding
anything
that?
wrong?
Who is
And that is the high
deciding?
command
high
is deciding.
command.
And you are talking
Yes.
about no high command.
Yes.
It's a joke. It's a joke
not
of
a
the
joke.
century.
To be the assembly speaker. I've realized what it is to be the assembly speaker.
I'm going to ask for
It's
permission.
Bengaluru. Don't give your mic away.
Yeah,
You're not going to give it back.
No, I'm going to seek permission to do the next debate inside the Vidhan Sabha. Okay, that will be the best one. One we'll do on the metro, one we'll do on the Vidhan Sabha. Okay. Last comments from everyone. I'll start with Deepak and then I'll end with Surabhi. Is there going to be any change this year?
Well, time and again, the buzz is very clear that some people want the change. Like I said, between 2013 to 18, this never came up. This coming up so many times is an indicator that something is happening at the background. And as citizens, they're only hoping that this doesn't affect the functioning of the government, doesn't affect the works that's going on, and it just continues smoothly. And the BJP has their own answering to do as far as their house is concerned. Have they been able to capitalize on this situation that's unfolding within the Congress? Because their house probably is not in the best shape is another aspect for the opposition.
Lavanya, any change coming this year? People want to know. What do you think?
Absolutely no change. CM is going to complete the 5-year term,
Okay.
and Deputy CM will
Clear
complete his
answer.
5-year
Clear
term.
answer from Lavanya. Yes. You're
We
saying September?
say- that is not my statement. That is their own minister's statement, Rajanath. We are not bothered. Who is going to be the chief minister? It doesn't matter to us. For us, Congress party is our opponent party. Let them fight. Let them do what they want. Let them, anybody become chief minister. It is not our concern. Only thing, we want to protect the interest of the people of Karnataka. We want to ensure no inconvenience is caused to the people of Karnataka.
Okay.
Their interest has to be protected. Let anybody become chief minister. That is their parties. Let them fight. Let them fight among themselves. Let them do what they want. But people
Okay.
should not suffer because of their fight.
Veera, best guess. Any change coming?
No change in 2025. 2026 is a different story. There is always
Elections are in
a play that's
2028.
on. Elections are in 2028. I'm talking about no change
Yeah.
in 2025. You never know about 2026. The power play is still on.
Interesting, interesting.
Absolutely, there is zero discussion at the High Command about change of leadership. I'm not saying 2025. In 2028, after the election also, Mr. Sidramaya and Congress government will be there.
Okay, straight answer there.
Whether
Surabhi?
it's going to be a change in the chief minister or not, I don't know. But definitely there's no change in the way the Congress is ruling. Price hikes seem to continue. Inefficient governance seems to continue. Absolute lack of good administration seems to continue. So that's the no change I'm seeing in Karnataka.
You know, I'll take the last word as anchor, and I'll say that in the media we do too much politics. There's so much of a focus on politics and personalities rather than issues. Now, debate number 1 today was about issues. Debate number 2 has been about politics. So I think we've been able to balance it out today, in this amazing August surrounding. But I think I would echo what some of you said, which is that it really doesn't matter who ultimately is going to be chief minister. The fact is, the people of Bengaluru, the people of Karnataka need to be served. Veera, again, I can see his hand trembling. Wants to have the last word again.
I'm just telling you that it doesn't matter what politicians say as long as everybody enjoys masala dosa.
I see 2 dosas still on that table. I'm going to assure all of our viewers that once the cameras turn off, we'll be tucking into some of this food. So it's a thank you once again to Chalukya Samrat for their amazing hospitality, allowing us to use their space to shoot this fantastic episode here. And thank you all of you once again. Appreciate it. Especially the 2 MLAs, the 2 spokespersons for coming out and being part of this NDTV special broadcast. Means a lot to us to get voices from people who are on the ground, in the field, on the front lines of all these breaking stories. So thank you very much to the both of you, and thank you very much for watching.